So we have talked to an extreme extent about Tesla's software updates and offerings, but what about their software struggles? This is something we haven't touched on too much, but recently we have seen a whole bunch of failures in between our two models that I have, and for some reason, they don't seem to be getting fixed. And obviously we know the obvious issues with FSD supervised and allegedly this soon to be rollout of unsupervised FSD, but I'm talking about for day-to-day usage. We talked about one of the main issues we've been having where the past navigation hasn't cleared out, hard resets, software updates, all that hasn't fixed it, and it still remains to be an issue for us today. Beyond that, also navigation. Maps has a tendency to show you off course quite considerably. I've experienced this a number of times. It turned out the first time I had this, the little GPS sensor above the camera inside the vehicle where those are housed was loose, shaking it, had to take it in, get that fixed, fine, it fixed the map, but now we are experiencing it again in a different vehicle and also not having that as the known issue. So I'm not sure what's going on. It fixes every once in a while, but between that and also some random reboots we've discovered recently, I'm not really sure what's going on from a quality standpoint. Tesla software struggles is one thing. Tesla hardware used to be another issue with the horrible paint and all of that. We're not going to talk about hardware in this video, just straight up software. So beyond that, we had other comments on our prior videos also talking about some of the struggles you guys have had. If you still have something, comment down below and let me know. Also, one thing, and I don't know if you want to call it a struggle necessarily or just a business decision, but one item that really alienated Cybertruck owners, especially those with the Foundation series and all of that, we were basically informed recently we will not get just enhanced autopilot, it's FSD or nothing. Sometimes it's nice not to be able to just go into FSD by having it navigate to somewhere. I like the ability just to put it on and go about your day. Yeah, I don't know, guys. There's TAC, but not being able and really not offering the ability to take advantage of a basic feature on every other model is a little frustrating. So you don't want to dedicate the time or resources to this project simply because in scale and in volume, Cybertruck is just a smaller percentage of your fleet. Totally understand that, but to alienate buyers and not offer this when it was always said to be coming is a little frustrating nonetheless. It's one of our biggest shortcomings and one of our biggest misses for Cybertruck, and that I miss right from our Model 3. So I'm not sure really what's going on with that, but it is frustrating nonetheless. Aside from that, we've had issues where the touch display somehow became somewhat unresponsive. That's very intermittent though, I will say, but it is an issue we've experienced nonetheless. As frequently as Tesla is always iterating and providing new updates to its users, it's a little weird to see that some of these bugs just go unrecognized or unnoticed. It's always great to add new features 100% of the time, but the core base foundation needs to be stable and have these features working as end users would experience and expect them to. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I really just wanted to kind of get your guys' opinion. I'm one person. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are experiencing any issues with your Model 3, Y, S, X Cybertruck that I didn't talk about here. I know I'm just talking about a couple of little items. There is a laundry list of different ones we can go over, but I want to keep this video short and sweet for anybody that might be experiencing issues, thinking it's just them. It's definitely not. Tesla's software team is on fire. They love rolling out new software updates with new features, but some of the base items really do need to be corrected in a timely manner. So let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.